Hi guys, what's up? It's Skull85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Mass Effect Legendary Edition on the Xbox series of consoles. So yeah, picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing it. Completed all three on the 360. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So yeah, there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back. Relive the legend, the full saga. Together, your story, your choice. Remastered for a new generation. It's optimized for the Series X as well. Smart delivery. There's no size, so, or is there? No, there's no size. No disc size. So inside, I believe it's like about 86 gig on the Series X. There's a code there for some gear and stuff if any of you want it. Combat controls for Mass Effect. Combat controls for Mass Effect 2 and Mass Effect 3. And then we have discs. We have the play disc, which is disc 1. And then we have the data disc, which is disc 2, which will be your install disc. So yeah, that's it guys for my rather quick unboxing of Mass Effect Legendary Edition on the Xbox series of consoles. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, and yeah, I'm sure I'll unbox some other stuff. So yep, thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Tatty bye.